What's up? What's up? Fight with y'all, miss me or something, y'all miss me or something? Well, y'all know what time it is. We going to Mexico today. Yeah. We going to Mexico today, baby. What's up, me? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Flexster, and I'm back with the no time, ain't that like channel? I ate some fufu a while ago, and that made me like think like, what else should I try? We ain't waste no time though. We got some Mexican food, Joe. Real live, some steak tacos. We got some elote. We got some horchata. But let's get right to the video though. We got our water. You know, what kind of water there? Core. Put that on your side. Get on my horchata. I don't play about more horchata.
I don't even know what horchata is.
This is horchata. I don't play about more horchata. Y'all see, this is the horchata. Real live, boy. It's a banger. What? Pretty sure a lot of people like Kool-Aid. But y'all sleeping on horchata. Shout out my amigos. I ain't gonna waste no time. What we got right here? It's my yogurt. It look like some yogurt with corn. Yogurt and corn.
No, it's a sausage and corn.
Oh, come on, y'all have to peek this. Let y'all see. You got the corn. I almost said yogurt and corn. This is the elote. 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 Day. Okay, this is being, man. It's being, man. Good. It's gonna be good, man. Let y'all look and see how it looks, man. It's a elote. I'm pretty sure y'all have like corn on a stick or corn in a cup. This is basically corn in a cup, but it's the exotic one. Like you ain't this got a little more flavor to it. You feel me though? We got this from this little restaurant called Taco Pros. They got pros in their names, so you know they Taco Pros. It's a Mexican authentic restaurant. I don't really fuck with Taco Bell like that, cause you feel me? They ain't got the rice and beans in that bitch like how they got this shit. Yeah. Ooh. Stick my finger in there.
Better not.
Stick my finger in there. Alright, come on. Try some of this little thing. Okay. We're about to mix that up. Yeah. What? Y'all know what this is right here? I ain't trying to drop this though, cause if I drop this, you know I'm eating off the floor. So this is steak taco. It's one of my top favorite foods. Come on now. But you know, this is my first time showing it on camera. You know, my jaw a little swole. I ain't supposed to see that though. I went to the dentist. My jaw a little swole though. But I got beans on my face. Hey, look though, we got the rice. Okay. We got the beans. Better than French fries with your tacos. You gotta get the rice and beans. Cause the restaurant I went and got this from, they offer fries with it. I'm like, I don't know damn fries, motherfucker. I want beans and rice. Mix it all together. Dip your taco in the bean. We got the steak tacos. They look good. These ain't no little homemade style taco. This is a Mexican culture taco. Cause you got the onions and the cilantro. If it's not the onions and the cilantro in it, it's not a Mexican style taco, my guy. What's wrong with you?
You like Mickey Mouse.
You look like the clubhouse. Okay, so we got all the food. Let me let y'all get a little close look at my horchata. Y'all know about the horchata. Now y'all can't see more horchata until to the end of the video. wrong with you?
You thought you were taco.
I ain't see those. Me drinking. Oh yeah, we got the sauce. Can't forget the sauces. Show them the sauce. Come on the sauce. Red one. Show the red one first. Yo, that one finna be that spicy one.
And
Show them the green one.
this is like
That's the little lime flavor pop to it. You know, that's the lime flavor pop to it. Period what?
her eye.
Period R, period
Her good, pretty good.
Yeah, no. Don't let my hospital rich bean. I told you I just left the taco. I mean, hey, we got the green and red sauce that's going on the steak tacos or whatever you want to put it on. You feel us? You hear us? All right, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, sir. Let's do it. Let's do it.
That was broccoli mixed up with mayo.
Broccoli mixed up with mayo. That's disgusting. Alright. It's the main event now. Let's do it. You want first time ever. Let's do it. It's your first time probably eating a taco like that.
No.
Not like we never had an onion and cilantro taco. You got your steak taco. Hold on. Put the. Got your steak taco. It's all good. You gotta put this.
No.
A little bit. You gotta put a little bit. Kill my. Now this sauce is perfect though.
Smell it.
You gotta taste the sauce.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. No. Taste it up. Put it on. You put a little bit right there and taste it. I taste it. Bite it. Go first. Damn. You thirsty? Is it good? Spicy, yeah. Mexicans got that spicy to it, man, eh? My Mexicans don't feed people. I love the spicy food, man. You got the spicy food for me. I walk around like I'm ready to die, but Señorita, have a party, eh? Party.
Go on, like my name is my dad.
Taco party with my sister. Let's tee up.
The onions make this spicy.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's my turn.
No.
I'm trying the green sauce. Bad stuff. Captain, this the green. I know the green sauce ahead. I know it's ahead. You feel me? A little bit of that green sauce on that, like, you know. A little bit of that on there like that. You gotta hit that. Oh my God. You make your taco like that? It's spicy? This shit hot. This ain't no regular. This ain't no mouth. It's spicy. I love spicy though. Okay. Green one, bang. I ain't like the green sauce a hit. Y'all see the green sauce? That's probably the best sauce that they got. It's sold in this taco.
Right.
I take a heart, blood, sweat, and tears into this one. But look, any Mexican restaurant, authentic one, and they got that green sauce. The thicker it is, the better it's gonna be. I feel like it's just watery. It can be good, but it might not be as good as the ones that stick. I'm telling you, the ones that be thick, they put something in them. I have no idea what they put in this green sauce, but you see it's empty now. Drink this water. You need to drink water. Oh my God. Some rice. I You got the rice already?
I ate with my
Like, how the rice taste?
dog.
Who? Eat your food first. Eat your food first. Eat.
The white tastes like cheese.
Oh my God! Move! Move! Move!
No.
No! No, you tripping. Rice go. Y'all move along. Huh. Here y'all go. Huh. The rice are here. Boy, y'all want no rice? How y'all gonna get French fries over rice?
Right.
Rice and beans, they rice ahead. You got a little pea in there. Shouldn't you say a little pea in there? It ain't even white either. How they make the rice orange though? That's what I don't get. But but it's a nuke. Damn! Ate all my rice, bro. Got a little bit there. Scoop that in like that. Look at the beans. You gotta get the beans like.
I ate with the beans.
It's the beans. You ate the beans?
Yeah, a little bit.
Huh.
It tastes disgusting. It tastes disgusting.
I want the mirror world to make these beans. Come on.
I want to eat this.
It's time for that elote. The red sauce. For the elote. Red sauce. Red sauce.
They look like ketchup. They look like ketchup.
No.
They look like hot sauce.
You ready? Red sauce.
No. What's not?
The hot chip, you can take this. If you made a hot chip, you can take anything that's spicy in your life. I ain't never doing a hot chip challenge ever in my game. Don't ask me to do it. I don't care.
Do it again. Do it again.
No. I get a million subscribers on YouTube, then I'll do it again. But other than that, I'm not doing that shit again. No.
Please. Get the meat and just try it.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh, I put the red sauce on there, y'all.
The red sauce was kind of good.
Oh.
Hey, yo. You finna follow me?
Oh, you snap. Oh, you snap. When I want my dog, damn, if you want some game, you just told me, yeah, huh? Get a bite. Oh, ooh. Get a bite. There you go, game.
Yeah.
Okay. We won't look at it, but we destroy it. Destroy it. Oh, it's so good. Oh, my mama. Bro, oh, my mama, that shit's so good. Give me that. Move.
No. No.
No. Gotta mix it up.
Yeah, that makes it good.
Snapped. Shorty. Ain't nothing like getting the exotic corn in the cup. This is an exotic one. Exotic. Come on. Alright, let's do it. You ready? Get your scoop. Gonna get you a scoop. Get me a scoop. Man, me.
Button.
This butter. Oh my God. It's butter. You say it's butter?
Button.
All I'm gonna say. Y'all, if y'all ain't got no elote in y'all life.
Y'all not
What you say, sis?
Y'all not
What you say, sis?
Y'all not
What you say, sis? They not teed up enough. Y'all ain't too turned. What's in y'all life? Now come check it out. Come on. Show y'all a little something, dog. The food, 11 out of 10. They broke my damn scale. They broke the scale, shorty. Like, I love Mexican food. Oh my God, shorty. We gonna do a part 2. Cause Mexicans, they make a lot of different foods. So I couldn't really get all the food that I wanted. But we gonna do a part 2. But you know, this is one thing that I gotta
I
get.
give this up.
So the corn, the elote, and tacos. 100 got a 100. You heard him. Steak tacos, 100, 200 got a 100 for me, baby. Okay.
I want some more.
What about the rice?
I want another one.
1 out of 1.
Yup.
Yeah! That rice was a 10 out of 30. I'm tripping. Wait, I ain't do that math right. Pause. But look though, that rice though, you got a little something right on your lip, player. Play as fuck up. Some more then.
What?
Say less then. You ain't. Hey. Look though, that rice though, 10 out of 10. The steak tacos broke my scale. The beans, 10 out of 10. Elote broke my scale. Y'all want some? Big man for a chata. I know what this is. Let me give y'all a clear visual of what horchata is. I take a bath in this horchata like it. Real live, get in the hot tub with horchata like. Stop playing on me, hot tub horchata me, please. Look though, let me show y'all what it is. Look just like, people be like, ooh, what's that? Y'all sleep. What you mean, what's that? You're trying to see what is you. Horchata wanna know what is you. Y'all be capping. And take my cap off, cause y'all be capping. But look though. I love horchata. Hey, y'all enjoyed this video? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We out of here, sis. We out of here. Yes, this rice water, you know. Rice water. Cinnamon too. Stop sleeping on this stuff, man. Peace out though, y'all. Tell them peace out, sir.
Peace out.
D-Mac on the fucking track.
Trill on the keys.
I'm with the gang, we been banging since the playground. I shoulda knew that's